Good evening mga idol, ito po yung amethyst. Yung binidyo ko nakaraan, may mga crack lang po siya. Mga scrap lang po to, galing ibang bansa. Amethyst po to mga idol. At saka yung healing properties ng amethyst ay ito, basahin ko mga idol, known as the all-purpose stone. Amethyst is a protective stone that help to relieve stress, and anxiety in your life. Para sa anxiety in your life lahat mga idol, and the symptoms that accompany it, namely headache, maganda pala sa katawan to mga idol, fatigues and anxiety. Amethyst is also known as the stone wood sobriety. Yun, parang hindi pa tayo marunong bumasa ng English, used in ancient times to abate the effects of drunkenness. Yun, it is helpful for dealing with and understanding the underlying reason of addictive behavior, both substance related and emotional. Yan yung healing properties ng amethyst mga idol. Ito yun, ganda pala mga idol. Medyo may crack lang, kaya talagang tunay na bato to, hindi po siya glass. Yun.